There was once another age, a forgotten time, lost even to imagination. This is but one story from the lost age of the Xelphins. It has been a long journey, but the Xelphins are finally nearing the edge of their home, the village of Nar. And before them, the mystery and what lies beyond Ghatanothoa. Of recent times, Nar has been under great stress. A terrible illness has ravaged the small village. For all of recorded history, they have lived here, isolated under the watchful eye of the mountain god, Ghatanothoa. Yet now, they must rely on the unprecedented hope that outside aid, beyond the great rock, even exists. We follow the offspring of the High Chieftain. The older, Kia, has experience in these woods, but never has she traveled this close to the Lord of the Mountain. To her side is her younger sibling, Tiyog. This is his first time away from the confines of the village safety. It's safe to say that for Kia, the journey shall be exceptionally long.
We better make camp soon. Don't worry. Nothing round here but humans and saccharangs. It's okay. I know you're scared, Tiyog. I am too. But look, there's not much further from here to get behind the mountain. I'm sorry it's so scary and that it's taken so long, but you know we've got to take the right route. You know that. We can't disturb the god of the mountain. We can't step 1 foot near the cavern. That's where the legend tells it rests. Tiyog? Look. I want you to know I'm very proud of you. It would have been scary enough for the bravest of our people to do what you're doing. Just being beyond Nar. So, to be honest, this will be a story to remember. I just want you to know, when you feel comfortable to speak again, I'm here. I know leaving home has been so traumatic for you. I'm glad you're here with me. So, take your time. into a liger nest. No, it's not safe to go wandering off so close to Ghatanothoa. The creatures, they feed on darkness. Tiyog! Tiyog! See it, but it's right in front of you. The air's getting thinner. What did you think you were doing last night, Tiyog? You know how dangerous these woods are. Every monster in our mythology comes from Mount Ghatanothoa. You've got to be more careful now we're so close. I know you want to make our father proud. But I'm the one he put in charge. You have the task of witnessing this. I just don't want to see anything happen to you. I have to look out for you.
I'm just sick of everyone ignoring me, Kia, but Father still picked you.
Is that what this is about? We're in a dark domain right now. Please. No one is doubting you. I wasn't going to tell you this until you didn't have a choice. But we're not heading back, brother. I'm taking you to a better place. Father, the whole village, they live in fear of that thing in the dark sat upon a mountain throne. The illness that has taken Na, it's terror. Only terror. The ways of Phaebon have left the whole village petrified of the idea of that creature. We're too frightened to even consider there might be people beyond here. I see what Father does. The way he treats you. It's no way to live. And I know you probably don't approve of this. You've always been a stickler for the rules, but please, when we're finally free from this place, you'll understand. There's endless possibilities in this world. We shouldn't have to live in fear any longer. Don't you agree? It'll be okay, Tiyog. You'll see. Almost there. Not much further to go. Just whatever you do, don't enter any of these cave openings. This is where it sleeps.
I can barely move. But I've waited so long for this. I won't be afraid. I'm not like Kia. So, why can't I open my mouth? I can't stand it. I need to know. I need to know that I'm not a mistake.
All my life I've followed Father's wishes. I wanted to be his favorite, yet Kia is the one chosen to navigate your land. And now she wants nothing to do with Nar and our ways. We've lived under your watch for so long. Please, tell me I'm not a mistake. Tell me. I've wanted this all my life, and yet deep down, I feel like she's right. About everything. Am I a sinner?
Tiyog, look away. Can't bear to look on its true form. Any moment now it could show it. You remember the legends, don't you? Okay. I'm gonna need you to run and never look back. You're my chronicler, aren't you? And please remember this. Hey, you! Listen! I'm not afraid of you. Yeah, that's right. I have lived too long under your shadow. I might not make it beyond that. But Tiyog will! Run!
There's nothing beyond this mountain.
You're lying!
There's nothing beyond this tale. Open your eyes and see. This is a realm of human fantasy. You are nothing but a tale.
Father, please! Why do you torment us so?
Because people petrified by fear are easy to control.
You are brave for daring this goal, my dear daughter, but I must stop you. It is my role, my nature. You are nothing but a story at its end. Open your eyes and see.
understand what you were trying to do now, Kia. To be free. I'll do it. I promise you. I'll write your story. You won't be forgotten, sister. Your story will live on.